Hi, I'm Evaldo Albuquerque, and today I want to talk to you about the DAX index. This is an index that measures the performance of the stock market in Germany. Just like we have the S&P 500 here in the US, in Germany they have the DAX index. I like to use the DAX index as an economic indicator because stocks tend to price economic events way before they happen. Right now, for example, we all know that the economy in the Eurozone is slowing down. But the DAX index, the stock market in Germany, started to price that in last year in August when we saw this huge drop in the DAX index. So I like to use the DAX index to help me with my trades in the euro and other European currencies. When the DAX index dropped in August, that was also the period when the euro went from 146 to 126. So when the DAX index is moving lower, it indicates that things are getting worse in Europe. And when the DAX index is moving higher, it indicates things are getting better. You can see here that the DAX had a huge rally this year, but he's now going through a correction. So let's take a closer look at what's going on right now. You can see that with this correction, the DAX index has tested this key trend line, but it was not able to break below that trend line. So this is a good signal, it's a good indicator for the Eurozone and for Germany. But this is a chart that we all should watch because there's also a possibility that these will form a potential head and shoulders. And let me draw a line here and now show you what I'm talking about. It's too early to tell because we don't have the right head and the right shoulder yet. But if the DAX index were to move, let's say, to close to 7,000 and then head lower from there, then we'll have a left shoulder, a head, and then a right shoulder. So this is just something to keep in mind if that develops. And the head and shoulders will only be complete if the price actually closes below the neckline, which is around 6,500. So this is just something to keep in mind. If the head and shoulders develop and the price closes below the neckline, the DAX index will most likely move much lower, and it will indicate that things are getting worse in Europe. So you should be focusing on shorting the euro and other European currencies if that happens. On the other hand, if the DAX index recovers and makes a new high, that it will indicate that things are getting much better in the Eurozone. So you should be focusing on buying the euro and other European currencies. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.